Hi, David is here from Karma. So you're watching this video because someone installed Karma in your company. You'd like to know how to use the product. So set aside 5 minutes and I'll quickly show you how to use Karma. So first of all, how do you recognize someone in Microsoft Teams? So you have two ways. First, if you click on plus and then select Karma as an extension, this is Microsoft Teams extension. And this is how many points would you like to give? 1 point. With your company value, select your company value. If your administrator connected to your company values, you can put a bit of a description and you can choose a GIF image as well. Nice and handy. And you submit that and you'll be able to see the point of Karma that was given in that particular case. Here it is. So this is the first way. The second is you need to select the coworker, then you need to mention Karma as the product, then put plus, and again put a small description. Why do you think someone deserves recognition? You wouldn't be able to connect a GIF image and you wouldn't be able to select company value that way, but it's quicker, faster, and then you can select a few people at the same time. So you could see Karma was awarded. You also have your personal dashboard. So all you have to do is you need to go into the app. So click on three dots, click Karma, and you'd get to the DMs with Karma. So there's a few things here. You'd be able to see the feed of all the Karmas that you gave and received. You'd be able to see that for all your groups. You'd be able to see that by the company value. Here is the Karma that was given as the test. It's all there. If your administrator connected rewards and set up a reward system, you would be able to get rewards as soon as you'll have enough coins for rewards. So I can redeem a fruit bowl there. It requires a comment, so I could say, hey, deliver it there, deliver that to that address, and then you redeem, and you'd be able to see that reward was redeemed. Normally it'll be pending until your administrator will review and fulfill that reward. So feel free to reach out to them if it won't be fulfilled within the next few days. There's also automated gift card rewards. Again, if you're admin set them up, you'd be able to identify them by a small flag in the left hand corner and a small image of a smiley gift card in the right hand corner. So you can redeem those. I wouldn't be able to redeem it now because it connected to a real card. I don't really need a 50 USD card right now. But that particular type of reward will not go through a fulfillment process. You'll straight away receive a code to your email address and you can take it from there. Under the reports tab, you'd be able to see your own profile. So this smiley guy is myself a few years ago. And you'd be able to see your coins balance. You'd be able to see how many points can you give and receive. You'd be able to see the people who recognize you the most, your activity, again, the feed of all the Karmas that were received, and this, the granted feed. Right there are all the Karmas that you gave. You can edit your personal information. So you'll receive a nice card on your birthday and work anniversary, and you'd be able to see the distribution of your company values amongst all the recognition that you've received. And you can play around with the period of time, all time, a month, day, week. It's all there. You will be able to go into settings. Not much settings if you're a user, but you're able to mute all notifications from the bot. And you can unsubscribe from birthday reminders if you don't like to get those cards. Down at the bottom, you can always get in touch with us through Got Feedback, and support will give you some nice materials, help. Well, is our README, so you have a lot of guides there, and sign out is how you sign out from our product. So this is really nice, 4 minutes video, and that gives you an idea how to use our product. If you have any questions, feel free to email me back. It's david@karmabot.chat, or get in touch with your administrator and they'll help you from there. Have a great day and good luck using our product. Goodbye.